helpful because I haven't like studied for a long time, and when I was studying, I didn't have much experience of writing essays, and so it was always assumed that you would know what to do. So I found it helpful because learning how to do that.
Slowly, I did learn how to do it, and in the end, I was really proud of me that I could do it, and I know I can do even more.
You should.
Thank you. But that was really good. Thank you. That was a good torture in a good way. In a good way.
And quite a lot to do when you kind of first started, because it was like something new and a lot of people haven't done it. Being like a big kind of book or like something like that for a while. So it's but then like, using the techniques that we learned, it was a lot easier and a lot helpful to do it. And now I know how to overcome the challenges. And now if I get something like that again, I know straight away what to do.
Gist from reading certain parts, which I now understand after completing that unit. So yeah, I mean, I agree with you about the referencing. It's useful. It's not hugely exciting, but it's something that's got to be done, isn't it? It's like doing the washing up. It's got to be done. But but I did quite like the SMART goals as well. The sort of doing those, they made quite a lot of sense of like how to actually achieve what you want to achieve. So that was useful. No.
10%.
10%.
10%, yes. So it was well earned 10%. I know it's ungraded, but it's 10% behind you right now. So congratulations on that. And